in the town of Maluenda stands the Iglesia de las Santas Justa y Rufina, a Mudéjar building erected between the second half of the 14th century and the early 15th century. The exterior forms a compact volume with smooth gypsum mortar walls and a continuous arcade above the side chapels. The main facade is flanked by two square-plan towers and a doorway that combines an original pointed arch with a semicircular arch added in the 16th century. Inside, the church is arranged as a single nave with chapels set between the buttresses and a seven-sided apse. The vaults feature agramilados, geometric patterns incised into the plaster, and a painted impost band in the colours of Aragon's royal emblem that runs around the building's perimeter. One of the most significant elements is the Mudéjar plaster pulpit, a polygonal piece made in the early 15th century. It rests on an inverted cone base and stands out for the precision of its carved plaster reliefs. Along the side walls are altarpieces such as that of San Nicolás de Bari and the Capilla de los Siria, which preserves part of the original mural paintings. Closer to the apse are the 16th century Capilla de la Virgen del Rosario, easy to recognize by its carved plaster doorway, and the Capilla de San José, Baroque in style, built in the 18th century. The church is dominated by the main altarpiece, commissioned in 1475 from the masters Domingo Ram and Juan Rios. Its iconographic program focuses on the martyrdom of the patron saints, the Sevillian sisters Justa and Rufina, and includes various scenes from the life and passion of Christ. At the foot of the church rises the high choir. This space rests on a flattened ribbed vault and is separated from the nave by a balustrade made entirely of plaster. This structure completes an ensemble now regarded as a benchmark for studying Mudéjar technique and style in the Jiloca Valley.